In the previous video, we have implemented RecyclerView. We have shown all the items from our database. Now, in this video, we are going to implement update function for our database. For example, here when we want to update this one, okay, ID 22, okay, quantity 4, price is 12. Okay. So I'm going to update the number of quantity to be 88. Okay, it was updated here. Yeah. So let us discuss in detail how to develop update functionality in Android Studio. Here we are going to create a new activity, and this activity will be named update activity. You can right click new, okay, select the activity, let's say here empty. Here I'm going to copy this layout and paste into the update activity. Okay, goes to the layout here. So we just copy all the layout back to the update activity. Okay, this one. So the ID should be different, because the ID has been used in the second activity. Okay, so let us change here. Okay, for the relative layout here, let's say I change into main display, and we are going to remove the image. We don't want to display the image here. Okay, so now for the item names here, let me change into item name update. So I will make it different. This one, price name update. Okay, this is the button. In the button here, we can change into update. Let us check. Okay, and then this is let's say we delete it here. Okay. For edit text, we are going to rename it to be update. Okay. Okay, I think done. Okay. Okay. Go to the update activity here. So we can declare the object. First is edit text, quantity update, and text view. Price Then we are going to create 4 different strings for ID, item name, price, and quantity. String ID, item name, price, quantity. Okay. Next, we have to link this one. Okay, We have to link this object in the XML file into the Java file. Okay, so we can declare here item name update, yeah, equal to view Okay, next is quantity update. Yeah. And a button. Yeah. Okay. Let us check what's the ID for the button update here. Okay, the ID is a button. So let us rename it. Yeah. For example, button update and click yes. Okay, here you can type button update. Okay, now we want to receive the data from the RecyclerView on click listener. So we can go to the custom adapter here. Okay, and then okay, on this method on bind view holder, we have to set on click listener. When the user click the recycle view items, yeah, it can transfer all the information to the update activity. So here you can put a holder, yeah, the main display. Yeah. Main display is your activity update. If you click the activity update XML here, okay, and then in your layout, you already declare the main display here. This is your activity update. So back to the custom adapter. So folder main display, set on click listener, new on click listener. So you can type intent, yeah. Intent equal to new intent, and this is we can call it contact, comma update activity dot class. You will pass the information in the recycle view, yeah, to the update activity dot class. So you need to use intent dot put extra. Here you can type the ID, comma string value id dot get position. Okay, you just click this one and make it final. You can also pass another information, yeah, such as item name here. You just copy item name. This one also can copy item name. So next one is price here. Okay. Lastly is quantity. Okay. Start contact, the start activity and intent. We will pass all the information, yeah, from the RecyclerView items to the UpdateActivity.class. So back to the UpdateActivity.java here. So we can create a function. For example, is a get intent data. So we create a function here. We can type a void get intent data. Okay. So we put the condition. Yeah. If get intent and the ID here, and here this control statement just to check whether we receive the same ID or not. You have to make sure from the custom adapter here. Let's say you put the ID, yeah, in this code here, you put the ID. So when you want to receive the data from the custom adapter here, you have to use the same code. So you have, let's say if you put the item names, here you must put the item names. So here, let's say I copy. So I have to rename it item name. Price. This one is a one. We will save it into the variable. Yeah. So you can declare ID equal to get intent dot get string extra the code which is the ID. Okay, you can copy. Second one is item name. This one also item name. Quantity. Okay. Now we have to set into the layout. Okay. We are going to display in the item name update here. Okay. So you just call this one, copy and set tag. Okay. Next is a price update. Just copy from here. And then set tag. Price. Okay. And lastly is a quantity. This one. Okay. So else here. Else here means that there is no data, so you can pop up those messages, yeah, those comma no data. Okay, so let's check the result. Okay, so when the user click one of the RecyclerView items here, it will display in the update activity, yeah, and it will show all the information of the selected item. For example, yeah, so when I click, it display the items, price, and also the quantity. Update not yet, so now we are going to add this function, yeah. Okay, next we have to set on click listener for the update button, yeah. So you can type here uh, button update dot set on click listener, new on click listener. We need to create the database function, yeah. So you can go to the database, you have to create a new function here. For example, is a void data. Okay, okay, we have four data, yeah. First is the ID, item, and price, and also quantity. Okay, now we have to create the SQLite database, yeah. db equal to this dot get table, okay, and the content value, for example, cv dot new content value. Okay, then we have to put the data, so we can type a cv dot put comma item semicolon this price comma price. Okay, then we have to write the query here, so we can write long result equal to database dot update table name comma and your contact is a cv comma, and this is the condition, yeah, where the id, yeah, equal to comma new string id. Okay, when you want to update the data, you need a primary key. If result equal to 2 minus 1, yeah, and display a toast message. Next comma, okay, comma, okay, else means we have updated successfully, so you can pop up those messages here, and you can say updated Back to the update activity. Okay, inside the button update dot set on click listener, we can call the database. So we can type here, okay, database equal to my db equal to, and this is the update activity. This. Okay. Next, you can call the function under database class. So you can type my db dot update data, right? And here we are going to pass ID, item name, price, and quantity. So you can type here ID, yeah, item name, yeah, update dot get text dot to string, okay, comma. Next is a price update. Here is a floating number, so you can type float dot value of. So you are going to convert this price update into floating number, yeah, comma. Next one is the integer value of quantity, text dot to string. Okay, this one is sample one. Okay, next we can go to the Android manifest here. You can copy this one, yeah, same like the previous one. So paste here. Let's say I put the order, back to the display order. Okay, let's compile the application. Okay. Okay. For example, the first items, cola, quantity 13. I'm going to update to 7. Update successful. Then you can click a back button here. Okay, it can show the updated data. Now the quantity is 7. So okay, thank you for watching. See you next video.